Hi, and welcome to Firethorne Apartments in St. Charles, located just off Main Street near Randall Road, conveniently located to shopping and your favorite walking spots, including Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts. Welcome to 1330 Brook Street, Unit L. We're going to do a little walkthrough here. We're walking into the living room with a wood-burning fireplace, a nice balcony out back, room for a couple chairs and a table. In the summertime, enjoy a refreshing drink. This is looking the other way. In the living room, good-sized living room. The apartments are 1,000 square feet. The door on the left, where we're heading next, is the laundry area, full-size washer dryer. The door we're passing is the entry closet, and now we're going to go into the dining area and kitchen. Dining area is a good size. It'll nicely hold a table for 6. Upgraded kitchen, stainless steel appliances, disposal in the sink, fridge, stove, dishwasher, exhaust fan. The door at the end of the kitchen is the pantry area. Let's go down the hall here, and we're going to go into the first bathroom. Check out the large counter, and then behind the door we have tub and shower. The door on the left that we're passing now is the linen closet, and now we're going into the second bedroom. Really a nice size, lots of room for a queen bed, desk and dressers, mirror doors, and nice and bright, as you can see. Around the corner is the master, and yes, it has central heat, central air. Master is 14 by 12. Nice windows. And as we walk across this way, the door on the left is the walk-in closet. Really good size. And the next door is the private bathroom, shower, good storage. And let's head back out again. So this is 1330 Brook Street. We're close to the intersection of Randall Road and Main Street. All the shopping in the area. Walk to Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks, Oberweis, number of pubs. Give us a call for a tour, 773-961-7962. Thanks for joining us, and hope you're having a great day.